Hey food lovers, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're diving into a deliciously spicy world with a quick and easy recipe that's perfect for those busy days or when you just want something satisfying. We're making a spicy canned salmon salad rice bowl that packs a punch of flavor while keeping it super simple. Imagine fluffy rice topped with creamy, zesty salmon and a rainbow of fresh veggies. It's not just a meal, it's a flavor explosion in every bite. So roll up your sleeves and let's get cooking. 1. Prepare the base. Start by placing a serving of cooked rice at the bottom of 2 medium-sized bowls. Fluff it with a fork to create a light, even layer. 2. Make the spicy salmon mix. In a small bowl, combine the drained canned salmon, mayonnaise, sriracha, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. Stir well until the salmon is evenly coated and creamy. Taste and adjust the spice level by adding more sriracha if desired. 3. Assemble the bowl. Divide the spicy salmon mixture between the 2 bowls, placing it on top of the rice. Add the sliced avocado, cucumber, and carrot around the salmon. These fresh vegetables will add a nice crunch and contrast to the creamy, spicy salmon. 4th, garnish. Sprinkle chopped green onions and sesame seeds over the top for an extra burst of flavor and texture. If you like, add strips of nori and fresh cilantro for additional depth and presentation. 5. Serve. Your spicy canned salmon salad rice bowl is ready to enjoy. Mix everything together in the bowl and savor the balance of spicy, creamy, and crunchy textures in each bite. This easy recipe brings together bold flavors with minimal effort, making it perfect for a quick meal that doesn't compromise on taste. Enjoy! So if you're enjoying this, don't forget to like, maybe subscribe for more.